Welcome to my new video on DQL or data query language in my channel IT Chandrima. This is the third part of my SQL video, where in our previous video we have discussed about SQL commands, which are DDL or data definition language and DML, data manipulation language. If you haven't checked it out, then you can click on the link given in the description. So let's dive into it. Today's content. Check out the content about today's video. Firstly, the introduction, where we will be learning about DQL briefly. Secondly, the command of DQL. Third, we would be going through the various uses of select command, then select command with order by and limit. Fourth, we would be learning about different types of syntax. Lastly, the video demonstration, where I would be demonstrating the commands of DQL practically. So let's start. Database is a set full of data, but if we need specific data, then what to do? Then we need to write query. Now, some of you might be asking, what is query? So query means question, which is used to fetch data from MySQL. So we can create query by using data query language or DQL, which is used to retrieve data from databases. In MySQL, DQL commands are primarily executed using the select command. DQL statements are employed for querying data within the schema object. Now, what is schema? A schema is a collection of tables with rows and columns. It is a type of template in MySQL. The primary object of DQL is to retrieve data based on the query provided. It allows us to impose order upon the data retrieved. The most common DQL command is the select statement. When we execute a select query against one or more tables, the result is compiled into a temporary table. This temporary table contains the data that matches user query criteria. The program, usually a front-end application, can then display or process this result. In essence, DQL enables user to get data out of the database and perform operations with it. It has only one command known as select command, which we'll be looking at now. DQL has only one command, that is select command. It is the most important command in SQL. Mostly interview round questions are based on this command. The select statement is used to retrieve data from a database. The select clause specifies the column to display in the query result, the syntax to fetch the entire table. With select command, we can use from clause. From clause is used to list the tables and any joins required for the query in SQL. The syntax of select command is select asterisk from table name. We can use asterisk to select all the fields of column available in the table. Specify particular field name instead of asterisk. To get specified field, syntax selects column 1, column 2 from table name. Let's look at the uses of where clause with select command. The where clause is used to filter records. It is used to extract only those records that fulfill a specified condition. Syntax: select column name from table name where condition. For example, select name from student 4. Here student 4 is the table name, where student ID or SID equal to 101. Now we can learn how to solve query in practical. So we have to type select command, select asterisk from student 4 semicolon. We can retype all the data from table. If you want specific data, then we can use where clause, select asterisk from student 4 where SID, you can use SID with equal operator 105. So we can specific data we can retrieve by using where clause. Our next topic will be select command with order by clause. Before we go into our actual topic, we have to know what is order by clause. Order by clause means sorting data. Sorting is a process of organizing data into a meaningful order to analyze more efficiently. The order by keyword is used to sort the result set in ascending or descending. Order by clause we can use in one column. We can select single column. Order by clause multiple column. When we want to sort based on multiple columns, separate the column names using commas. Order by clause also we can use with where clause. The select query can also be an optional where clause to filter the data. The where clause can be include one or more Boolean condition to filter out data to the tables. There are two types of order by clause, ascending and descending. ASC keyword is used for ascending and DESC keyword for descending. The order by keyword sets the record in ascending order by default. The following SQL statements select all the column from student table sorted by the SID name column. The syntax is select asterisk from student 4 order by SID name ascending. Student 4 table name and ASC is optional. And for DSC, we can use select asterisk from student 4 order by student ID equal to DSC. To retrieve all the data from table in sequence, we can use order by clause with select command. Select asterisk from table name student 4. Order by clause we can use ascending as a default. So we need to type ASC keyword, student name, semicolon. We can retrieve all the data in ascending order. For descending order we can use DSC keyword with order by clause. So we have to type select asterisk from student 4 order by student name with DSC keyword, order by DSC keyword. Student name we can see the result in descending order by using descending keyword. Student name we can see the result. For student ID in descending order we have to type select asterisk from student 4 order by student DESC keyword, semicolon. Student ID DSC keyword, semicolon. We can retrieve data student ID in descending order. Limit in SQL is one of the most important clause. There is when dealing with large databases, developers need to filter their codes so that exact value can be reached. By using limit command, user can get desired result. It can specify limited number of rows. The syntax for limit command is select asterisk from student 4 limit 2. Here only 2 records we can retrieve from table in ascending order. For descending, select asterisk from student 4 limit order by student name this DSC limit 2. We can get only 2 records in descending order. To select limit number of records, we can use select command. Select asterisk from student 4 limit student 4 limit 2 semicolon. We can retrieve only 2 records by using limit command. We can use order by clause also with limit command. Select asterisk from student 4 order by student name We can use here DESC keyword for descending order limit 3 semicolon. In result only 3 records in descending order we can retrieve. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel, like and share the video, and also pin down a comment if you have any suggestion or doubt. My next video will be group function, include, can, count, sum, max, min, average.